Hey everybody, Rob here again. I wanted to show you exactly what I do when I record my these videos for you guys. I just want to go through the process. So right now you can see I'm uploading this video. It's still doing its thing, but if you hover over here, I'm on actually the YouTube's what do you call this? The YouTube Studio. So right now I went through the process, added all my description, my tags, title, all that stuff. Right. So it's still uploading right now. So if you hover over here, this little play button, just right click it, copy link address. And what I'm going to do is I basically want to show you how I upload these to my website, which happens to be this right here. Okay, so this is the website that I just shared with you in my last video, kind of showing you the layout more or less, right, on the front end. So on the back end, I designed this using advanced custom fields and custom post types. I apologize. I just actually had to move my microphone, so I hope you heard the first minute of this. So, all right. So my right here, this training videos tab here. This is actually an advanced created using advanced custom fields. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go into Add New, and it's probably the next video that I do. I'm actually going to show you how to create these advanced custom fields and this video types here. This is a custom post type. Okay. So this new video, this is what is this video about? Creating global widgets. That's what I'll call it. So video type. The video type here is business backpack. And that's one of my custom post types. So I'm going to use default template, and that should be okay. Let's see here. That should be it. I'm actually missing, for some reason, I'm missing a field here. Let's see what happens when I publish. Alright, so for some reason, that is not. Oh, you know what? Let me go. Give me just a minute here, guys. I have to go in here and check because there's a few things that I did that may have changed how the stuff shows on the back end. So let me just see how this is being affected. So it's shown on. So this is the custom post type here. I'm sorry, the custom field video URL. Make that required. No conditional logic. On page is equal to training videos. Which should. Huh. I'm a little confused here, guys. That should be working. Training videos. You can see I've created several. Alright, I'm going to pause this and I might have to start all over. Give me a minute. Alright, sorry about that, guys. So, for whatever reason, my custom field was not being seen, so I had to go in and actually change or add a rule. So, this is the field right here that I had created. I'm just going to paste in my YouTube URL that I had gotten for that particular video, default template. It's on Business Backpack. Let's see if there's anything else here. No, I only created that one, I think. No, I didn't. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to use this featured picture. I don't think I'm going to need it, but I'm here. Why not? Set the image. Now, with these images, you do want to fill in the alt tags for all of your images, but because of the nature of this particular website, I'm not really concerned about it. Why does it keep defaulting to text? As you can see, this is my the editor here. Clearly, you can see I'm using Elementor. I use the Elementor Pro. This is how I built out this particular website. So anyway, this is just a description that I'm just putting here as filler. As you can see, I think I mentioned this in another video. This is Amazon from, where's it at? I have there it is, Amazon Publisher Studio 2.0. So if you're an Amazon associate, you can grab that extension off Google Chrome, sign in, and you can actually create text links that go directly to Amazon products, and you can collect them commissions off of all of those sales. Another little tip right there. So anyway, we got the video URL, we got a featured image, we got our video type, and a title. Let's update. And as you can see, my dashboard is back to the standard dashboard look. I will change that back in a minute. I felt there may have been a conflict with that plugin, but that's all right. Got everything figured out. So now we are going to view the post, and this is the output that you'll get. Creating global widgets. That's the title. Put the video here. I'm going to test that video in just a minute. I want to make sure that it's actually completed its processing. So we have the description, YouTube button, and all this over here. If you look at that image right there, that featured image, just watch it. Watch what it's doing. You see that? See how it's moving? Isn't that pretty cool? Anyway, that's working. All right, so I want to make sure that this video is processing, or has processed rather. There we go. So okay, so that's, you can see it's a 35-minute video. So I do apologize. It's it's pretty long there, but it's really good information. I really hope that you guys find it useful. So that is that, and I think I'm going to do one more thing before I check out. I want to put that plugin back on. I'm going to show you what that plugin is, and just go down and down. Hit that one. It's really weird how this looks right here. I don't like that. Okay, so this one right here, Slate Admin Theme. Actually, deactivate Smush. I don't know why that's deactivated. Alright, let's go make sure my Elementor, for whatever reason, it's still fucking loading. Okay, so we'll just wait a minute. I'm going to pause this again, and I'll be back in just a minute. All right, so honestly, I am not really sure what is going on here and why this has changed to a status bar instead of just an updating bit of text. But what I'm going to do is activate those plugins that I had checked on a minute ago. So if you see this website break before your eyes, you'll know exactly why. It's because of that plugin, and it's been about 10 minutes now. So fingers crossed that it updated properly. And it did. So there we go. Right, and you can see right away the difference that it made in the admin panel. All right. I had mentioned before also that these options in the admin panel, these are all options that I did with using a particular plugin, and that plugin is called Toolbars. What is it? Sorry for all the scrolling. Here it is. Toolbars Extra. Fantastic toolbar. It helps incredibly when it comes to managing this and every website that I work on. So anyway, let's go back to wrong one. So we're back on the main homepage right here for these training videos. Let's refresh it. Let's just make sure that the video pops up here, the new video. And there we go. And she's live. Okay, so that's pretty much how I do it. And again, like I said, I used Advanced Custom Fields, which is this plugin right here. Created a custom field group. And that field group you saw was video URL. And I'm not going to go into it again, but also created custom post types to coincide with that. And what that does, it creates this custom post type right here of video types, as well as two new taxonomies, which in this case is Business Backpack and Video App Suite. These are the two video types that I have, and the video types is essentially a category, and the Business Backpack and Video App Suite are essentially categories within the video types category. So instead of it saying category like it would say for like a blog post, a regular blog post, it says video types, and the video types are these two right here. So anyway, I hope that makes sense. That is going to be it for right now. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.